The SEWA project is funded by the EU's Horizon 2020 programme. Drawing on the combined expertise of Imperial College London, the University of Passau, and industrial partners Realeyes and PlayGen, to further develop automatic sentiment analysis in the wild. Together with experts in vision analysis from Imperial and audio analysis from Passau, Realeyes are working to develop an ad recommendation engine, connecting the dots between audience data and the video creative itself, matching audience profiles to video, and recommending videos to audiences. Realeyes and Imperial College iBug Group use computer vision and machine learning to track people's reactions to video content. Understanding the consumer, knowing what drives them and what wins their hearts and minds to make a meaningful connection with a brand. Audience emotions and spontaneous reactions are measured using computer vision and audio analysis. We train machines to understand visual behavioural cues to identify sentiment, like or dislike, arousal, how excited the viewer is, boredom, their level of interest, measuring audience engagement, whether it's facial, vocal, or verbal, accounting for cultural differences in behaviour, and using audio analysis to identify key personality traits, even analysing the meaning of a viewer's silence. All of this rich behavioural data will be crunched and filtered to create profiles of those who are less likely to skip, more likely to share, and ultimately, most likely to buy. Plugging this API into programmatic platforms will create a powerful combination: an ad recommendation engine, reaching the right audience with the right message at the right time. At Realeyes, it's what we call emotional intelligence.